Welcome to your marketing session. This is quite a bit different from your technical sessions that have been conducted. So, it will also go in a very different way. So, there's nothing to prepare on. You can't just have numericals on this. Anything equation based कुछ नहीं होता इसमें. This is mainly an exchange of ideas, and that is why I need you to be super interactive in this session. Whatever you want to say, just say it, even though if it sounds stupid to you, it might be an idea that is viable to us. So all right, let's start on this note. पहले तो I'll just start by asking you, what do you think the job of the marketing department is?
To get funds.
Okay, to get
Bringing in
funds.
sponsors, making Skylark's name better, as in
Okay, so
advertising. Yeah.
funds, sponsors, maintain Skylark's reputation.
Recognition.
We get the manufacturing parts.
Uh, recognition. What did you say, Anushka?
Manufacturing parts.
Manufacturing parts, as in?
Parts as in getting funds for the manufacturing part of it.
Yeah, so that comes in funds itself.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Anything else?
Workshop,
Workshop. What do you mean by workshop?
like a
Nimish?
place, like a place we
Okay. Okay, working place, ठीक है.
working place.
To arrange workshop, ठीक है. What else? What else do you think the marketing department does?
To get people for the mentioned workshop.
Hmm? As in? Get people
As in-
for the mention.
या जो वर्कशॉप अभी बोला ना, वर्कशॉप अरेंज करना है.
और
Bring in people.
ये वर्कशॉप उसने वो बोला कि वर्किंग प्लेस वाला वर्कशॉप जिधर हम लोग काम करते हैं.
अच्छा, okay. So no, I'm talking about the seminars and all that stuff.
Okay, seminars, ठीक है. ठीक है, seminars and webinars, that comes under fundraising, but yeah, one of that. Anything else that you can think of? ठीक है, चलेगा. So pretty much almost all points were covered except for a few.
Also
I'll
handling
go.
the Instagram ka handle, the LinkedIn Instagram handle,
Perfect,
social
good.
media.
So yeah, maintaining recognition and having the Skylark reputation goes hand in hand with social media. So social media is a big thing that the marketing department handles as well. Right. So we'll start from the very beginning. I had told you two kinds of ways, two kinds of sponsorships that we have. What were those?
Monetary and in kind.
Monetary and in kind.
Okay. ठीक है. I'll just ask someone. ठीक है. Monetary is pretty self-explanatory. It is getting funds. But चल, Ryan, are you here?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you mean by an in-kind sponsorship?
In kind means if our sponsor manufactures batteries for our aircraft, so we can directly get batteries from them instead of money.
Right, right. Which makes sense, right? You what is the main target of marketing department? It is not just to raise funds, it is also to reduce the expenses incurred by the team. So if we aren't able to raise, say for example, 1 lakh, we reduce the cost of the team incurred by 1 lakh. So yeah, these two are our main have been our main sources of generating funds and running the team, and that's mainly about it. But do you think there might be another source of fund for Skylark?
College, the SAE. So
Yeah.
Also, aren't workshops a source of fund?
What workshops, Siddhi?
Like as in, you all hold workshops, right, where you all teach aero modeling, and doesn't that
Right.
generate fund? Yeah.
Exactly. We used to have we have something called the aero modeling workshop. Unfortunately, due to COVID, it could not take place last year. But we have something called as the aero modeling workshop. Is everyone here familiar with it, or have you heard it for the first time?
We have
I've heard
for
it
the
before,
first
but I
time.
don't really have a
Okay.
Yeah, like
good idea.
So yeah, that is the disadvantage of joining college late and not getting anything due to COVID. But okay, I'll just explain what the aero modeling workshop was to us. So every year when FEs entered in the months of June and July, we would have something called as the unveiling. In the unveiling, that was the first event of the college. So always unveiling was was a very key event to us because that showed the impression of Skylark in front of the college because all of the faculty used to be present, the principal used to be present, and we were shown in very good light in front of the whole college. And there we used to pitch in our aero modeling workshop. So the aero modeling workshop is a 2 day workshop and it had a lot of elements where you could build your own plane, a small miniature model of a plane that you could fly. So that would get people, if he's interested in the in the workshop as well, like you would be interested in joining Skylark. So a lot of us, we came into Skylark due to that workshop as well, partly due to that workshop. We were intrigued by the fact that we could build something on our own, and that is what led us to being in Skylark. So that is very vital. That was very vital to Skylark's reputation. But unfortunately, last year we couldn't have the unveiling and and correspondingly couldn't have the aero modeling workshop because of COVID. But we are thinking of taking planning to like resume the workshop this year because it is a good source of fund for Skylark as well. But how do you guys think we earn from how do you think we get funds in that workshop?
You all teach how to do aero modeling, as in building in planes, and uh, as in how to build a plane and then how to handle it and flying it, I guess. Yeah.
Right, but how would that generate funds?
you will take
There's
certain
a
amount of
fee.
money from the fees.
Okay, one at a time, one at a time. Nimish, you go first.
Like you take some amount of money from fees for like you give them some
Yeah, for
like
teaching how to make the
uh,
airplane.
Um, I mean, we technically do end up spending a lot of money to get these materials, so consider it as no profit, no loss in that situation. How do you think we generate funds? Okay, Anushka, you were going next.
I was just saying that you would be taking participation fees for like going into the workshop.
Right, but could you think of some? Okay, Malay, you want to answer? Could you think of some way that we could be generating funds, not by fee fees?
Yeah, you can take fees for advertising companies.
Okay,
Basically, it might be by the planes that you make. You can like sell it or
guys, just a second, just a second. Who removed Krish from the meet? सामने से आके बोल दो, कुछ इशू नहीं होगा. You're here क्या अभी Krish?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, this is something that is very unacceptable. I don't know what kind of childish behavior has brought you to this, but I'm highly disappointed in. I don't know who did it, but okay, we genuinely are. Okay, fine, just fuck it. I don't want to hear this again. Okay, to whosoever it is, I don't want to hear this again. Nahi to you're gonna have a bad time, all of you. So everybody has the consequences, not just the person who did it. Okay, right? Fuck. Let's carry on. So, Malay, what were you saying?
I said that we can advertise few other companies while the workshop.
Okay. So, do you think we have advertised companies in the past during the workshop?
No, I don't have any idea about the workshop thing.
Okay. ठीक है. So, advertisement of companies makes sense because there is an audience present, right?
Red Bull was there.
Huh. Krish, what do you want to say? Do you want to add something to that?
We can, I guess, we can sell DIY modeling kits.
DIY modeling kits. Okay, we personally haven't done that anytime, but you are making them make planes, right, at the workshop. So why would you want to sell modeling kits as well?
Acha, we are making them make. Okay, I didn't
Yeah,
know
yeah.
that.
So, okay. Just to give you a perspective, the aero modeling workshop is somewhere where groups of 4 or 5 people come in and they make planes somewhat out of a foam kind of a material, foam sheets, I would say. And these do have motors and they're hand launched aircraft. So these are like small miniature models. We'll see if we have a couple of photos and we'll share it with you of how these planes look. But yeah, these are how the how the air modeling workshop goes by. So yeah, Haryaksh, go ahead.
So we charge them a bit more. Let's just say we got a motor for 1,000
Mm-hmm.
and we charge them 1,100 or something. Like they are
Yeah, but
supposed to take the models, right, at home.
yeah, but say for example, you aren't doing that. We generally don't uh we generally don't have a huge profit margin in this. The main funds that come in are from the sponsorships, as who had said, as Malay had said in, right? Nimish, do you have any idea? Like, could we do
Yeah,
something?
like you ask some questions to the AFs and then you give them a small kind of coupon of a company
Okay,
like that.
okay. So yeah, we do that.
Coupon.
So that is one good way. So we do promote brands like this where we have their products. So the in-kind sponsorship plays in here, where where they give us certain gifts that could be distributed, as well as we ask them to certain extent for monetary sponsorship. But that is a part of how we go about having a profit in this workshop. Any other ideas that you could have? Yeah, Tejas.
Maybe if we could like collab with some other team from other colleges, and that way, like, just to build up the connections of the team. I mean, so like both the teams get benefited because they have more followers on their respective social media. That way, like, it's more lucrative for the companies as well. No?
Okay, so what you're talking about is a general venture that we do. We won't be doing that for aero modeling workshop because this is a venture that we pursued alone, and the funds aren't to be shared with any team, not in the college, not outside the college. So this is purely Skylark's workshop, and it is Skylark's flagship event. It is what has led Skylark to this growth as well. The aero modeling workshop is very famous. It was very famous when it used to happen, and we want to like continue that. We don't want to have any part of someone else being associated to our fame.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Any other ideas that you could think of?
Um, we can expand our audience. I mean, not just keep it to college students, but also school students, I guess.
Okay. How so, Krish? Just give me a second, Haryash. How so, Krish?
We can reach out to schools, like whoever. So I think there are a lot of school students, generally younger ones, who are interested in astronauts and astrology and
Mhm.
everything. Not astrology, astronomy. So
Yeah.
we can reach out to them and ask schools for, like, if they want to, you know, I guess, come to the event.
Conduct workshops for them, right?
Yeah.
Right. So we have tried that for the past 2 years, and we haven't really gotten a great response because it's been a source of concern. Key the things that we teach them might just go over their head because just think about it. You're a school student in eighth and teaching aerodynamics to them, teaching concepts that they have never heard of before, let alone they don't have a base because you guys have passed 11th 12th. You have that physics ka base, you know moments, you know you know what pressure means, you know a lot of things. And aerodynamics is based on certain physics concepts that are taught in 10th 11th and 12th. So how could we approach these schools to make it feasible for them कि like 8th standard का बच्चा भी कर पाएगा.
We can just teach them simple things like lift, track the forces acting on the plane, then the history of the plane, like who made the first powered plane, and other things as well. I had attended one such workshop in Vasai.
Mhm.
They just taught us the basics, and later on they made us build what a foam plane, and we
Mhm.
flew in, and it was quite fun. Like,
Okay, Arya, could you just elaborate on the foam plane that you had built? Was it powered by anything or
no,
something?
it wasn't powered by anything. It was
Mhm.
just a foam plane. But for eighth, seventh standard students, it's quite you know fascinating.
Right. So this is a good viable idea, and yeah, we could build onto something like this. Anushka, what are you thinking
Yeah,
here?
I was saying we could use the Krish's idea of the DIY kit plane for the 7th, 8th standard students. But
Right.
yeah.
Okay, so I'll just give you some perspective on the DIY idea. Having an easy to set up plane is a good thing, but the ones that we use in the aero modeling workshop require a lot of attention to detail. And there's a lot of scissors and cutters involved, and we have had many injuries during the workshop. So it's really not the safest option when giving it over to kids,
No,
considering that there have
Is
been
but
injuries in our
seventh, eighth
presence.
kids,
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
like
these are
foam
teenagers.
said.
right.
That
So,
kind of a DIY plane,
okay,
not the
Like junior college students also can be there.
yeah.
Like 10, 11, 12. Like they are pretty
That's what I was
mature.
about to say. We can bring
right,
in junior college students instead of school for the workshop.
okay, okay. This seems like a good idea. We'll be talking about this more because I'm quite interested in the idea of having the DIY modeling kits as a part of the aero modeling workshop for lower grades, not for degree students. ठीक है, this is one strategy that we might use because there's a lot of the COVID का situation has gone down drastically since last year, and there's a lot more things that are possible this year that weren't last year. So hoping that the situation gets better and we have something like this, we have a situation where we can conduct offline workshops. We will be talking more on how this works. So for now, I'll tell you how to refer to these ideas. Let's have the aero modeling for younger generations as termed as something. So can you guys come up with a name?
Okay, so I have a idea. Like we can divide this workshop into stages. So basically, we'll be using the whole day, right, for the workshop.
We'll be using the,
Whole day for the workshop, right?
yeah, preferably a 1 or 2 day workshop max.
Yeah, so we can divide it into parts. Like for school, younger school students, we can keep an easier DIY kit, and we can explain them more basic stuff. And then comes the junior college stage, where we can go a bit advanced, like and explain them how to make your own airplanes, RC controls, and
Right.
then the basic, and then what we are doing, then what we usually do for the degree college students.
Okay. Okay, so I quite like this idea, and I just want you to work on it. So whoever I think Arya, Krish, Anushka, who else is in support of this idea? There's Nimish, Haryaksh, Het. Oh, this raise a hand feature is very nice, but great.
I had an idea.
Yeah, wait, just a second. Is it developing onto this idea?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
It is that we could keep certificates to grow more participation for the workshop.
Mhm. So yeah, so certificates is something that we'll be providing regardless. So certificates with principal का मतलब principal or our faculty advisor का sign plus our team captain का sign will be pushed. That isn't a issue. So official certified workshops, official certified workshop का tag आ जाएगा.
We could also place the top 3 performers of the workshop, right? Who built the plane well, the first.
So incentivize the people who.
Yeah.
But aren't you giving them similar planes? You're just giving them a same DIY kit, right?
Yeah, like we can make that who does the fastest, or like we can ask questions to them कि ये like ये part का नाम क्या है या फिर ये क्या है.
A
So
trivia,
then we
he's
can
suggesting a trivia sort
yeah,
of.
yeah, trivia
And
kind of thing.
like at the end of it, the top 3 participants get the certificate of excellence, and the rest of them get a certificate of participation.
Okay, great. So we have a lot of ideas here. हाँ, Radhika, बोल.
Like with the DIY plane, we can tell them like basically to give their plane a name or like sort of a description. Like so, like on that basis, we can judge them also. Like basically, what they are talking about the first 3, so we can include this as well.
Okay. Okay, ठीक है.
Yeah,
So
Vignesh.
what? Yeah.
Yeah, so I had a question that the material used in the DIY planes, do we use this for Skylark as well? Is there any use of
Um,
that?
no, you could have these planes built out of anything. So you can just have like a foam wala sheet. Like you can check अपना foam का plane है, right? At the
Yeah.
at the Bandra wala place. Yeah, pretty much वैसा similar kind of a plane you can have it modeled. You can use any materials that you want, cheap materials you want.
Okay, because I had a question that if there are so many planes, we have to already prepare in an early stage. Yeah, we don't know the right number of how many people want that kit. So
Right.
basically, if the material is left on that day, so what will we do with that? So that's a point of loss, right?
We can use it in next day.
Yeah.
Right. So
It's not like material is getting wasted.
So yeah, it happens like we just forward it to the next year for the aero modeling workshop.
Okay.
Right. So this seems like a great idea, and we'll have another separate meet to discuss this aero modeling workshop. Let's just come up with a name so that it can be easily referred. नहीं तो workshop नाम करके 3 आ जाएंगे.
Or instead of a workshop, if it was more like a competition, like you approach a school and tell them that we might do this every year. So that way, even the students might look forward to it. Like if it's a school, I'm saying, like, just slightly different variations you can allow the students to make. And like maybe like last year if they fail, so like this time they might try something different when it's better for them. And maybe, you grow your followers again on Instagram or something. That coming back to the same.
Right. So we could have this built out as a competition as well. That is another good idea. ठीक है. So what we'll do is we will call this as aero modeling workshop for students. ठीक है. For now we'll call it as aero modeling workshop for students. Then we have another one which is aero modeling workshop that happens in our college, and then we have a workshop that we require for working. Right? By the way, has anyone gotten any leads for the workshop that we have to work in? I spoke to Malay.
Can you repeat?
Has
Basically,
anyone
what kind
gotten?
of basically
Yeah.
what kind of place do you need for workshop? Do you need a big place, or with what do you?
Yeah, so the basic requirement of a workshop is somewhat like an empty space. So somewhat like what we have in Bandra is a good place for a workshop, but the problem is that it lies in a residential area. We need just a space that we like an empty space. Baki sub tools, everything is brought in by us. So we do not need any machines there. It just needs to be an empty space with a covered roof.
And guys, when Nish is saying about place, the place should be big enough to accommodate 30 odd people. That's it.
Yeah,
whether
but
it's full or yes, sorry.
So do we have to? I asked someone. So they told there might be rent for hours. मतलब how many hours do you need? So we have to pay them.
Right. So I'll just tell how we usually get a workshop in Skylab. So in general, every year we haven't had to pay any rent for workshops because we have gotten it through contacts, personal contacts. So say for example, someone from the team has their uncle or a relative जिसका empty space है, warehouse space है और working space है that they do not use, that lies in an industrial area. We use that for our workshop. So they give it for rent free. The maximum that we have done, I think, about 3-4 years back, is pay the electricity bill. So what conditions that they have is either pay the electricity bills for the duration that you are using the workshop, or maintain the workshop is something that is just key to them. Like give the workshop as it was handed over to you. Keep it clean. So that is the main reason that we cannot spend a lot of money and resources on the workshop, because we operate on a very limited budget.
Okay.
Are we allowed to put stickers or sponsors on the plane itself? No, right?
Yes, we are.
Then
Okay.
that's the best thing, I guess.
Yeah, you can absolutely do that. We have done that for some of our sponsors as well. Like I am guessing कोई Instagram page देख नहीं रहा है.
We've seen it, like, but इतना दिखा नहीं.
ठीक है. Okay, so this is something that we want you to look at. So I'll discuss what things you need to work on, like क्या क्या देखना है at the end of this. But now we'll just get back onto track. ठीक है. So right. So Abhi, as I said, in-kind sponsorship. What do you think we need? Like कौन से companies might sponsor us?
A travel insurance company will be a good choice. Like if we are going to travel.
But how would that appeal to our target audience? Firstly, do you know what our target audience is?
Students.
Right. तो students के लिए travel insurance कैसे जरूरी होगा? Like how will that be an appealing fact? Right.
Maybe
बोल.
software tools, or like, fast food related something, like, we might have some fast food
Right.
company.
Okay. So I got two answers. One is software tools, and one is fast food. ठीक है.
Clothing accessories. Clothing or accessories.
ठीक है. Clothing accessories. Okay. Something else.
The radio control which we use.
Tuitions.
Okay. Wait. Guys. थोड़ा loop back करते हो. I asked you for in-kind sponsorships. What do you mean by in-kind sponsorships?
Like they will give us some kind of product to use and then we will promote them.
Right. So Deep, एक minute. Deep, you wanted to say something?
RC transmitters that we use in our plane. So we can approach the company, right, to get the remote controls of the plane.
Okay, just give me a second. Do you wait? What remote controls do you mean? What do you mean by remote controls?
The receivers which we use, the transmitters and the receivers that we
Do
for
not
us.
call it remote controls. Call it by its pure name.
Okay, yeah, sorry.
Okay. ठीक है, that's kind of one thing. We can approach companies that have electronics for sale. Siddhi? Yeah, you wanted to say something?
No, actually, the hand was raised from the previous. Yeah.
Okay. Aditya, Hit, yours as well. तुम लोग को है कुछ? हाँ, ठीक है, cool. Arya, बोल.
We can ask some e-commerce websites.
Like
we can message them on Instagram about it.
Which websites? Which give me an example.
Quadcopters.com.
Okay, and what will we be asking them for?
Propellers.
Okay,
Batteries.
but do you think we are in need of propellers?
I don't think so.
Why
There
not?
are
We already
options.
have a propeller, right?
But if
Propeller.
we need a new one,
So okay, I'll just like someone else was saying something else. इसके बीच में. I think it was Heth. हाँ.
Yeah, I'm asking that we already have one who supplies us propellers, right?
Right. What is the company's name?
I don't remember
APC
exactly.
propeller.
हाँ, right. APC propellers. Right. So APC propellers is something that we have had a long-standing relationship with. We have been in receiving propellers from them since I guess four actually 5 years. It's been 5 years that we have had this sponsorship deal with them. And there's someone called as Annie, that is our point of contact. Our super like it's generations up. So like 5 years ago, just imagine someone got into contact that year's ka marketing head, and we struck a deal, and we have been receiving propellers for our testing as well as competition purposes. So we aren't in need of competition propellers per se. Is there something else that you have looked at? Like recently he post आया था. ठीक है, चलो, I'll ask you in technical terms. What do you think goes in a plane?
Motors, batteries.
Motors, battery. Huh?
Motors, battery, fuselage.
पेलोड के लिए जो बॉल्स लगते हैं वो
Footballs.
balls, yes.
हाँ फुटबॉल्स एंड
You can ask
Payload.
some sports shop.
Okay, guys. इतना complex मत करो. What is the plane made out of?
Wood.
Wood.
Exactly.
Adhesive.
So you could approach companies for a sponsorship for Wood, right? ठीक है. That's actually not the right answer. But what we have done for Wood is we have a provision uh, wherein instead of going to a local supplier and buying it, we order in the whole wood ka supply at a very cheaper rate in bulk. So that is what we do to save costs. So that is where the marketing team ka cost cutting approach came in. That started about I think in 2019 say we have been ordering wood from them. So right, we do that to save a lot of our money. What else do you think, like how do we essentially build the planes out of wood? कैसे करते हैं? Do we just like
laser
fix them
cutter
up with like
Like a
jigsaw
bond or
puzzle?
something, like
Huh?
very adhesive.
Exactly.
Application form.
Manthan is right. Adhesives, right? So what do you think? Adhesives के लिए क्या करते हैं हम लोग?
वो मेटलोक के साथ है ना.
Exactly, Tejas. Tejas ka
Metlock.
answer is correct. We have a sponsorship deal with Metlock. Before that, we used to buy adhesives. So and adhesives are expensive. You might think कि oh Fevicol 10 रुपए का आता है. We do not use that. We use high grade industrial adhesives. We use multiple types of adhesives. You will know the reasons to why we do that when you'll be at the workshop and taught manufacturing. But for now, just know that our adhesives cost uh, at least about 60 to 100 rupees per bottle in some cases. So what we do is we have a sponsorship deal stuck with them last year, and we'll be continuing that mostly this year as well. Right. So हाँ तेजस बोल.
कोई कंप्यूटर का कंपनी रहेगा और like maybe some graphics like Nvidia, like it's far fetched, but like these people might also require, like, you know, colleges में anyway students need it, and we also need it for like the CFT wala.
Right,
That's-
but how will they benefit from advertising to DJ Sangvi students?
maybe they can offer some sort of a discount coupons or something that like for contacts via our links, and even the students, like they all require new computers, freshers हर साल आते हैं ना, so we might be able to capture that market.
Right.
दे
So
कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प, मतलब वर्कशॉप के अंदर जो हम लोग का विनर्स रहेगा उनको भी हम लोग डिस्काउंट कोड दे सकते हैं इसके फॉर्म में,
right. So
बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द
workshop.
स्टूडेंट्स बाय न्यू लैपटॉप्स एवरी, मतलब स्टार्टिंग इंजीनियरिंग के फर्स्ट ईयर में.
Yeah. So workshop ka sponsorships are totally different. They work in a totally different way as to our overall sponsorship. So what Tejas is referring to is something called as affiliate or title sponsorships. So could you think of some company that would fit right into like Skylark's lane for having a title sponsorship, wherein they could provide a sum of money for our plane?
Maybe any computer laptop company, MSI, Asus, Acer, Lenovo.
But they are big. They are matlab, they
Yeah,
are
but
very big companies,
but they all
and to
like,
approach them will be very difficult.
or even Amazon for that matter. Like they YouTubers, for example, they always have these affiliate links under there, and even
How
if
will
it's
you approach
Okay,
them?
1 minute. Amazon and YouTubers का अलग फंडा है. That is something called as affiliate marketing. They essentially you can do that. You can have a link created of your own, and affiliate marketing is pretty easy to set up. So that is like if you buy the product through that link, that is like you got a cut out of it. Affiliate marketing doesn't mean a sponsorship. What do you think? Like, think of something that is grounded in reality. You can approach it, and they might be able to do something about it.
maybe a mouse keyboard company, like laptop mice.
Watch a electronic selling shop like Chroma or something.
Okay, so you guys are mainly focusing on that area. I want to hear something new. Krish, रुक पहले उससे पहले I think someone else raised their hand. Shubham Modi. हाँ.
Yeah, so I approached my brother. He said that जो companies रहते हैं जिनका turnover like 1 crore के ऊपर रहता है, उन लोग को like government से एक rule type रहता है कि 1% उन लोग को charity या donation type में देना रहता है, sponsorship या कुछ भी.
Right.
We can approach them.
Right. So what he's talking about is something called as CSR funds. It's known as corporate social responsibility. So a lot of companies have these, but these are mainly kept for NGOs or donations. They are not really applicable to students, but they do generally keep. Some companies do have an fund where they promote education के लिए, right? They do promote that. So what do you think? What kind of companies will be able to provide us this kind of a fund resource?
Like that, small clothing websites are there, right? Like Soul Store or Bewakoof.com. Like they will be also very appealing to our students also.
But how does their strategy fit into ours? We are a aero modeling team.
Like they can make our uniform in the sense our labeled T-shirts and all.
Okay, fair enough. ठीक है. So I've covered most of these points and we have gotten some responses. बाकी सब you guys have a basic idea of how to figure out things, right? So I'll just move on. Yeah.
Like during sponsorship, for example, if they provide the funds,
Mhm.
like what do we give them in return? Like except for like
Exactly. So this is something called as deliverables. So what do you think we can give them in return?
as in promoting them on
Instagram.
our social media accounts,
Okay, promotion on social medias.
having their names on our t-shirts or something like that.
Oh, just give me a second, huh? By social media, just याद आया. Has everyone followed Skylark on Instagram and LinkedIn?
Yeah.
Yes.
सब लोग कोई बचा है अभी तक?
LinkedIn बाकी है.
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn बाकी है.
Okay, किसी का अकाउंट नहीं है तो क्रिएट कर लो अगेन. आज ही कर लो because you'll be needing it अभी. Right, so we're going to reactivate our LinkedIn account. It's been inactive for a while, and abhi the post will start coming in because the year has begun. So uske
There are
accordingly we'll be
actually
posting
two
more.
Skylark accounts on LinkedIn.
Right, the one with the old logo is the old account. The one with the current logo is a new account. Right.
I had a suggestion. Like if companies they are doing good, they have to show like they are doing good. They sponsor us, right?
Mm-hmm.
we can teach them, no,
We can teach the companies.
Reach them out.
Reach them. Okay. So as I didn't get you, Arya, could you frame that a
Like
bit better?
like अगर एक कंपनी है like
Mhm.
रोलेक्स, वो लोग अच्छा चल रहा है वो लोग का, और वो लोग को दिखाना है कि हम लोग अच्छा चल रहे हैं, तो वो लोग स्पॉन्सर भी कर सकते हैं हमें.
Mhm.
और तू रोलेक्स को अप्रोच कैसे करेगा?
रोलेक्स या फिर कोई भी अदर कंपनी व्हिच आर डूइंग गुड.
बट वो बड़ी कंपनीज को तू अप्रोच
You can approach.
That's exactly the point. See,
उन लोग के
when
पास
you
ऑलरेडी
go on.
इतना फेम है, उन लोग के पास ऑलरेडी इतना फेम है, इसके लिए उनका कंपनी अच्छे से चल रहा है, तो फिर उन लोग क्यों तेरे को देंगे स्पॉन्सरशिप, क्यों देंगे तेरे को?
Right. So that is a good point made by Hit. When you approach companies, you need to look for companies that don't have a brand value. I'll say have a lack of brand presence in the market. Some companies that want to scale in the social media wala market because they haven't grabbed enough attention, right? So what happens is generally there's a certain brand which is already captured the marketing and they do very well in social media terms, but there are other competitors who haven't had that penetration into the market. So that is how you have to think ki, oh, I won't go for the main person who has a base already. I will be going in for a competitor and contacting them. Yeah, Hit, go ahead.
We can approach who has just started his or her business.
But why will they be interested in providing money to us? They don't
Because
have money to spend on marketing. They don't have money to spend on marketing at this point.
सपोज अगर उन लोग ने प्लान किया है कि बिजनेस चालू किया, तो उन लोग ने कुछ तो सोचा रहेगा कि बिजनेस कैसे एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. विदाउट मार्केटिंग या कुछ उनका बिजनेस एक्सप्लोर होगा नहीं. उनको थोड़े जब पैसे इन्वेस्ट करेंगे तभी उनको जाके उनके सामने रिटर्न मिलेगा उतना. तो जब भी उनको नया कंपनी, अगर उनको अपना मतलब कंपनी रेस करना है कंपनी को, तो उसके लिए उनको मार्केटिंग तो करना पड़ेगा. वरना अगर वो मार्केटिंग नहीं करेंगे उनके कंपनी का, तो बाकी लोगों को मालूम कैसे पड़ेगा कि ये कंपनी मार्केट में आई है अभी.
Right. So essentially what Hej is saying is ki newer companies, not like very new companies, but fairly new companies, startups, might be having a small marketing budget and that can be diverted to us. But the problem with that is that we need a certain amount of fund that is promised from each and every company. And if they cannot meet that, we cannot put in that kind of an effort because it's unfair for the rest of our sponsors. So you need to be fair to each and every one of our sponsors. कि say for example मैं तेरे को जो 20,000 में दे रहा हूँ वो same ही चीज I'm given to the second company for 20,000. I can't give him the same thing for a lower price.
Also, I have something.
Right, yeah, Krish, bol.
Achha, so one of my friends' dad, his company designs softwares for commercial airliners. So it's like not that small of a company; it's a huge company. So we can ask them for sponsorship, but I don't know how that would work exactly.
Right. So what Krish is saying is kind of feasible. I mean, it is a different kind of sponsorship. Again, it goes into our domain where it is related to aviation, but per se they won't be interested in sponsoring the team. So how do you think you will approach them? Like, does anyone have an idea? Ki what deliverables could we provide to them so that they could be interested?
Yeah, exactly that. I didn't have the idea like deliverable what we could deliver them, but they are in the same domain as we are, so that we can come up with an idea, I guess.
Right. We can work something out, and this is something that I wanted guys to do. Ki when looking out for a company, don't just see ki oh this guy will sponsor us. What can we provide them in return? What kind of promotion can we provide them in return, and what uh, deliverables we have? I'll just leave it at this fact. ठीक है? What kind of deliverables we can have? ठीक है? Okay, except for this, does anyone have any doubts regarding in-kind sponsorships? Actually, I think we even covered a bit of monetary sponsorships, but okay, we'll just go over monetary sponsorships once, Abhi. So how do you think Skylark generates funds, pure monetary sponsorships? एक आंसर तुम लोग के ग्रुप पे ही है.
webinars पर लेके
वेबिनार करके.
Right.
Yeah.
Webinars. So that is one way of generating funds. Why do you think companies pay us for webinars? What do they get in return? हाँ तेजस?
कॉलेज का रीच है ना डायरेक्ट, लाइक सब स्टूडेंट्स के साथ अच्छा नेटवर्क है अपना, तो डायरेक्ट लिंक है ना.
Exactly. So what they want in return is that some people will be attending, well, a lot of people will be attending their workshop. Even if they get a convert of, say, for example, 5 students in that, it's a win situation for them. So that is what they want. They are not targeting the whole audience. They just want a small portion of it because they charge fees that are way beyond what they paid for. So that is how they do their marketing. It's a win-win situation for both of us, right?
Yes.
Any other classes or anything that you can think of?
Hello.
कौन से टाइप के क्लासेस होंगे पहले तुम्हें को ये बताओ. Is it just classes that we can conduct webinars for?
GRE we can approach GRE classes.
Okay.
Software के लिए we can conduct seminars.
GRE classes. और क्या?
Like SolidWorks हम लोग सिखा रहे हैं, like 2 or 3 days का workshop लिया SolidWorks का. Like we can teach that as well.
Okay, SolidWorks teaching classes. So either Mrunmay is just texting me. So it is, he said कि GRE, GMAT and CAT classes can be done. और कोई? So we have SolidWorks के classes, we have GRE, GMAT, CAT के classes. Anything else that you can think of? Okay, Mrunmay is saying something else. So he's saying that there's small apps which need downloads, so we can provide them downloads. But honestly, Mrunmay, it's a bit of a hassle when it comes to it, and the amount that they pay won't be sufficient enough for the amount of effort that we put in. So we always quantify, is that money worth our effort? If it is something that isn't worth our effort, we won't be able to put in, we won't be able to go in with the deal, right? Cool. Any other classes that you can think of?
What about companies that come to the college to recruit students, like in the final year?
College placements?
No, I'm talking about the
internships, which come for
like
internships.
Webinar about internships and placements.
Okay, internships, placements, companies. So some companies that teach you how to sit for placements and internships. Mrunmay has one good answer. Consultancy companies that guide students for going abroad for education. So classes like even IMFS is the webinar that we are doing, is that company that is a consultancy service that provides you like, say for example you want to go to US, you have an application that goes through with them, like you have application reviews, you have preparation tests, everything done by IMFS. So yeah, these are pretty much the income sources that we have. Is there anything else that you guys can think of?
Traveling related, like 40 local tickets कर रहा है, and if we can get a tie-up or like contact with airline agencies, so we can get a price reduction on the tickets as well.
Okay. Okay. So do you think like there will be a tie-up with, is that even possible? Firstly, like what would the company, what would the airline benefit from us?
Constantly passengers, we can say, each year, or like
we can send passengers each year. But it's still a loss for them, right? We aren't paying them anything. They're losing out on fuel.
But see, if we go to the competition and win, and we will win, of course, but still, वो लोग का नाम भी आएगा ना plane पे, and so we can say कि they sponsored
Also, we
us.
are aero related, so there can be a connection.
Right.
Reputation.
So, okay, this kind of works out. It's a bit of a stretch, but it still is somewhat thought of. But giving tickets out for free doesn't make sense because that's like 20 into around 80K ka expense. 20K
No,
actually.
we
We are a team
charge.
of 33,
Like we
21
can get
plus 7, 32.
discounted.
Yeah, like
Discount.
we can get discount.
Discounted, all right, discounted. Okay, okay, kind of makes sense. ठीक है.
We can
Anything
approach to
else
a
that you think?
sport company, sports goods का company that for a payload and that stuff.
But like soccer balls isn't really a part like जो दिखता भी है. It's somewhat hidden inside the. Yeah, it has to be hidden.
This is a bit of a stretch, but like maybe crowdfunding campaigns and all.
Right. So one thing that we do is crowdfunding as well. It's called a family and friends crowdfunding, and we can do that. So that is a good idea. Have you? Acha, you might not have seen this, but Skylark has done one crowdfunding
Yes.
way back, and yeah, that is how we generate some funds. It has been done in the past.
Also, I wanted to ask something. Like, last year, I think last year maybe, I don't know, but Skylark को I guess Red Bull का कुछ तो ये मिला था, right? Sponsorship or something.
Right.
So what was that about? Like, as in
Right.
we were
So
advertising about them, right?
Right. So Red Bull was one of our sponsors in the aero modeling workshop. One of my super seniors, the marketing head at that time, Siddharth Singh, he had a personal contact in Red Bull, and that is how we got the sponsorship for our aero modeling workshop. But we can definitely try that out because anything that is
Was it a
our
monetary kind of a sponsorship?
as in we
Or
can't really give
were
you
they
the
just
details of it. Yeah,
okay,
we can't really give you the exact details of it, but yeah, it was partly monetary.
okay.
Right. So yeah, Red Bull is right in the yeah remember those funds are of a different concern. Every team does have a certain funding from the college, but that itself doesn't sustain the team. That is why we need to have a marketing department, right? Hmm. So yeah, Red Bull is right in the alley of Skylark. Skylark is right in the alley of Red Bull, where they do promote in a lot of racing and adventure sports and everything. So right, Red Bull could be a viable sponsor for Skylark too. Okay, so ठीक है, this kind of
But
will
I have
go.
a doubt.
Yeah.
But how will we contact Red Bull?
So that totally depends on how you are going to approach it. There's a lot of ways to approaching companies. We mainly go ahead with either searching them through LinkedIn, through their websites, through a lot of sources. We need to develop contacts with them. You need to develop a lot of relationships. You need to build that trust out in case if you don't have a personal contact. If there's a personal contact, you can approach straight through him, ask for the marketing person ka contact, and go ahead with that approach, right?
Okay, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Vignesh, I wanted to ask something.
Mm-hmm.
Acha, so during the competition, do we do any kind of brand promotion like competition के time पे?
Do we do any kind of
Brand promotion during the competition itself, like on-site event पे?
Okay, so during the competition, we do not have any time. I'll just be honest. During the competition, you'll be so busy, you won't have a minute to sit. So there's no chance of any kind of promotion at that time, and that is our last priority at that time.
Okay, no, so I was asking like in terms of कि ऐसे fuselage पे, you know, how we write aircraft details and such, उस पे we don't do any kind of brand promotion, right?
Oh, okay. So you can't have anything hanging on from the aircraft because that has to be counted as the aircraft का dimensions. But all the promotion वाले planes they are made पहले से and the stickers are done. उसके बाद plane जैसे ही उधर जाता है in the competition, we generally do not have any stickers on it until the competition is over at least. फिर competition होने के बाद we do put in stickers or we don't. That is totally dependent on if the company wants a plain logo in the US.
Okay.
हाँ. Who just raised their hand? Shubham. हाँ.
Yes, so I have heard that Red Bull, Tata, Nestle, ये सब कंपनी स्पॉन्सर करते हैं, but ये लोग इन काइंड ही देते हैं ना usually. Like Red Bull only provides their cans. So like, will that work?
Do you think that has a that has
I
an
don't think that,
application
but
that
as you said कि Red Bull ने पहले भी sponsor किया है.
Yeah, so you can take a guess कि why it was partly termed as a monetary sponsorship.
Okay, but जहाँ तक मैंने सुना है वो Red Bull like they don't provide money like usually.
Right. So that is where the personal contacts come in, right? So all companies that you approach, generally personal contacts are the one who will provide you monetary sponsorships. They're likely to convert that.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So are there any other doubts regarding how sponsorships are done in Skylark? ठीक है. So since you're finished with this, is the marketing department's job over for now? Do you think this is all we do? There's something important that we missed out. ठीक है.
Presenting the
Okay,
plane.
so do we promote throughout the year or only during the events?
Okay, one minute. तेरे पहले किसी ने बोला था, जिस क्रिश के पहले कौन बोल रहा था?
Presenting the plane itself.
Presenting the plane?
Like you have the design report and all of those things, right? So I'm assuming marketing department might be like whoever is there, like he's going to be more vocal about it, right? He or she.
Okay, what do you mean by a design report and marketing ka connection?
Like you people are the like marketing wale folk will be more like forward, right, in these things. Maybe like judges के सामने बोलने का उनका.
No. Okay. I'll tell you something. The technical department and the marketing department is totally different. The technical department takes care of building the plane, explaining the design because they know the design. Marketing department doesn't know the nitty-gritties of the design, so they cannot explain a report that they haven't written. There's a whole separate design report ka team that will be formed later on, but the marketing department doesn't ensue any roles in the technical side of things. Any. Okay.
But then will there be a separate marketing department or is like सबको like marketing करना पड़ेगा?
सबको marketing करना पड़ता है to an extent, but there is a separate marketing department like there will be in the future for your technical departments as well. But these people will be your key contacts. So juniors may you will be contacting say for example Aditya is a part of the marketing team and Manthan is a technical member and he says, oh, I have this sponsor ka contact, he's my mama, maybe you can go ahead with this lead. So what Manthan will do is he'll call him up, he'll say ki aisa hai, he'll add Aditya into the call. Aditya will give a formal introduction ki this is DJ Skylark, whatever it is, and what we want to go ahead with it. So after that, the contact gets transferred to Aditya and Aditya will pursue that lead. So getting leads is the team's whole job, but pursuing them and closing the deal is the marketing department's job. Right?
All right.
Krish, you were saying something. पहले तेरा खत्म करते हैं फिर बाकी सबका.
Achha, sir, so my question was, do we promote only during events and workshops or throughout the year?
See, if it's social media, we can promote throughout the year as well, depending on the amount of money that that the sponsor is providing. So if it's a title sponsor, we won't be hesitant to promote them. The amount of money that they're given is sufficient for the team and it gives us a chance to give them more deliverables. But if it's not a big sponsor, we just promote them once throughout the year and mention them during the events, but we don't really promote them as such.
Yeah, so that's what my question was. Like, if we can promote them throughout the year, we can ask for a bit of funding, right?
Right. So it's kind of like slabs. Think of it like slabs. Like if you pay this amount, you get this benefits.
All
Right.
right, cool.
Right. हाँ Hit.
बेसिकली हम लोग उस जो हम लोग को स्पॉन्सर करने वाले हैं उनको हम पिच कैसे करेंगे? What will be the deliverable?
Right. That is something that is a part of your assignment. I want you to come up with that, and then we'll be telling you on the pitch wala day ki how you can go ahead with it. There is an answer to this, but I want you guys to come up with something that might add on to our knowledge. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, Haryaksh.
Marketing department also gets new members in the team, interviews and all that, because you are the one calling everyone up.
I as in me.
You called us the Skylark interview.
Okay,
and all
what
that.
is what is my role in Skylark?
Marketing head.
Marketing
and vice
head.
captain as well.
Kya?
Vice captain and marketing head.
Okay. I'll make this very clear. I am the vice captain of this team. Only refer to me as marketing head in front of sponsors.
Okay.
Right? That is a position that is given unofficially to me because our team doesn't have a marketing head, and I was the only marketing member last year, and so that is mainly my responsibility. So I will be the marketing POC for this year, essentially for you guys. But in the team, I have to be referred to as the vice captain, or just call me a Skylark senior. That is the best thing that you can do. Always refer to your seniors just as seniors. Do not just give them any positions. It will cause a lot of problems, and we don't want to have that in the team. Okay? Cool. Okay. So, Haryaksh, getting back to your question regarding bringing in more people, again, that is the whole team's job because um, as juniors, we wanted our juniors, as in when we turned seniors, to be as capable as we want, and that is why we personally took interviews. So getting in people, identifying potential Skylark juniors will be the whole team's job. That is you and us included. Okay. ठीक है, एनीथिंग एल्स? हित, हाँ बोल फिर से.
लास्ट पॉइंट के लिए
अच्छा, लास्ट पॉइंट के लिए हैंड रेस किया था. कूल. ठीक है. सो स्पॉन्सरशिप्स हो गया. मेन चंक ऑफ मार्केटिंग वाज डन, राइट? इज देयर एनीथिंग एल्स दैट इज लेफ्ट? हाँ, अच्छा निमेश नहीं बोलना है. हाँ निमेश बोल.
So like can we diversify into social media more? Like Instagram pe we are stick to Instagram posts. Can't we go into reels and all that?
निमेश हम लोग मैं I was exactly getting to that question कि you're forgetting a aspect of marketing. So that is why we don't refer to the department purely as marketing, but it's just a name that has stuck with it. It's actually called the non-technical department because we have creatives in it. And creatives is another big part of the department, as the quality of posts that we have are indicative of how successful the team is as well. When someone takes a look at your Instagram page, they know a lot about your Instagram page, how well it is maintained, and that is why we have the quality of posts that we currently do. Right? We do not just put out any post because that hampers our brand value. We do stick to a certain theme, and that is mainly what I talked to you regarding when we had the assignment card discussion, right? Ki we want your ideas but mixed in with our design philosophy. So that is where you have to be at. Ki, say for example, you were to suppose create something that is for Skylark, but it was very flashy. It wouldn't fit our theme. It would just be opposite of our theme. We are a professional group, and we have to stick to that theme, and that theme should reflect in all of our documents, all of our social media, everything. right?
Yes.
Okay, so since we're at it, I'll just cover creators in brief. So for now, the creators department does handle the uh, soft creators just for now, since soft creators is something that is related to social media. So anything that is posted on social media, online, digital photos, videos, everything is called soft creators. Hard creators is something that is done on papers, posters, banners. That is hard creators, right? So currently we are just doing soft creators, but hard creators also is also involved into Skylab. The third aspect that is involved is promotion within the college. So during the aero modeling workshop, you have to get students for the workshop as well. So you have to go to each and every student, explain them the importance of this workshop, and get them registered. That is another job of the marketing department primarily, but actually this is the team का job. ठीक है? Cool. Any other questions regarding the marketing department? Why does it exist? Why does marketing department exist? Why can't everyone do this marketing? Because मैंने तुम लोग को अभी just बोल दिया, right? सब लोग ही करते हैं marketing. तो why do we need a department?
It's so like it's managed, organized, we can say.
Okay, like, can you explain that a bit more?
Like अगर एक के पास लीड है, तो अगर मतलब उसके क्या कहे, if he doesn't have that kind of skills to talk or to approach, so then it becomes difficult for him.
Right.
So if it gives to a person who is skilled in it, then it will be more easy.
Right. So what Nimish said is perfectly fine, perfectly the answer. That is why we have technical departments for that matter as well. So anything that is related to electronics will be a forte of avionics department. वैसे ही anything that is related to monetary sponsorships, creatives will be a forte of the marketing department. And everyone in the team has a set of skills that is vaguely different, or that is quite different from others. So that is why we have these set departments, so that you can work better interdepartmentally and intradepartmentally and interdepartmentally. So that is the main goal of the team, so that everything makes the technical department makes the team work and the plane built, and the marketing department focuses on the smooth functioning of the team mainly and brings in funds. Right. So I think I am done with everything for now. Abhishek, do you want to add in something to this?
Not really. Just, but there's nothing more that we can add. Let them figure it out in the assignment itself then.
Right. So does everyone know here what the assignment is? Matlab, the basic of it. I'll be sending the whole document in today, but does everyone know the explanation of the assignment?
Yes.
ठीक है. So I'll send in the assignment. You will have your pitch done on 18th and your submission on 18th का night. मतलब sorry. Yeah, 18th का night, right? Sunday night. Cool. Sunday night को submission रहेगा, and that submission will be the PDF and the JPG file, JPG or PNG. I hope you might have started working on it. If not, now is the time. ठीक है. So I'll just end this recording for now.